Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see linked list creation program. And as you can see here, this is our definition of node of a linked list. It is having two part data and a link part. Link part is a pointer, that is, it is a self-referential structure. Now as you can see here, this is our main function, and what we are doing in this main function, first of all we are taking input from user, that what is the size of linked list. Okay, that is basically how many number you want to insert in this list. And then I am taking that input, and then I am running a for loop. And what I am doing in this for loop, first of all I am scanning that data, that is I am taking from user that what is the number he want to enter in this list. And in next line what I am doing, I am calling an insert function. Okay, and what will this insert function do for us? Insert function will do two things for us, that is, if the linked list is empty, it will create a linked list and insert the data, and if there is some data in linked list, it will append this data at the last position. Okay, now suppose user has given size equal to 5, then what will happen? This for loop will run for 5 times. Okay, and in every iteration I will take a input from user. That is, suppose user has given 2 as an input, then what I will do? I will insert that 2 in our linked list. Now what we are going to do is, we will write this insert data function. And one more thing, as you can see here, once this loop will be exited, I am calling traverse list function. And what will this traverse list do? It will print the value present in linked list, and which I will be covering in next video. And now we will write this insert data function. Okay, now let's write insert data function. It will return nothing. Okay, insert data, it will take one parameter, and what will be that parameter? What is the value we want to insert in the linked list. So friends, one thing, as we are inserting it in linked list, so first of all what we need to do, we need to create a node. And how we are going to create a node? We will use malloc function. So now let's write it out. Struct node star temp struct node star malloc size of struct node. So what will happen after this line? Malloc function will give us, that is, malloc function will take a memory block from operating system and will return to us the starting address of this memory block. And I am going to capture this particular address in a temp pointer. Okay, and what will be the type of temp pointer? Struct node star. Okay, and here I am typecasting it. So suppose malloc function have returned us 400, that is, after creating or taking the memory block from operating system, it is retaining the starting address, and this starting address is 400. Okay, so what I am going to do, once I have this node, I will update the data and link part. So in data part, I will update to data. Suppose user has given us 40 as data. So what will happen? 40 will be updated in the data part of this particular node. And what I will do after that? I will update the link part. Temp.link equal to none. Now friends, this is what I am going to do with the newly created node. Now, what is our task? Our task is to insert this particular node in the linked list. And what can be the two cases here? Either our linked list is empty or there is some value in the linked list. So if our linked list is empty, then what we will do? First of all, we need to check if head is equal to null. And one more thing friends, I am assuming that head is a global variable. If head is equal to null, that means I have nothing in my head pointer, and this is the node I have created. So what I will do, I will copy this address in head. And how to write it here? In head, I will copy 10. And what it means? I will create a link between head to the newly created node. So this is where I have nothing in our linked list. Now let's deal with the second case. That is, I have something in our linked list and I need to insert this data, that is this node, at the end of our linked list. And to do it, let's take an example first of all. Suppose I have 3 nodes in our linked list. This is our first node, this is second node, this is third node. First node is pointing to second node is pointing to third node. 10, 20, 30. This is starting from memory address 100, this from 200, this from 300. So basically here I will have 200, here I will have 300, and here I will have null. And this is our head, and in head I will have 100. Okay, that is head will point to the first node. And what we need to actually do? We need to make this particular node point to the node which we have created. Okay, this is our temp pointer 400. So we need to insert this node in our linked list, and to do that, what we need to do? We need to traverse this linked list and reach at this particular node so that we will be able to update this particular link part. Now let's see how I am going to do it. First of all, I will create a node struct node star current equal to head. And what I am doing here? I am creating a current pointer, and in this current pointer I am copying the value there is a head. So what we have in head right now? We have 100. That means this current will start to point to the first node of the linked list. And after that, what we will do? While current dot link, that is, we will traverse this linked list. Current equal to cur dot link. Here I am traversing this linked list, and when I have reached to this particular node, I will update the link part. And in the link part, what I will do? Current dot link equal to address of this node. And where is the address of this node? In this temp variable. So now let's see how this code will execute. Before starting this while loop, we will have 100 in this pointer. So first of all, while check will be done, and it will check if the current dot link is null or not. So as you can see here, current dot link, that is link part of the node starting from memory address 100, and what is this? 200. So as you can see here, this line, this while check will be true, and it will execute this particular line. That is, it will update cur to cur.link. And what is cur.link? Cur.link is 200. So basically it will update 100 to 200, which means current will start to point to second node. And what will happen in second iteration? Again while check will be done. And what is current.link now? As current is 200, current.link is the link part of the node starting from memory address 200, and it is 300. So it is again not null. So what I will do? I will update this cur pointer and I will make it 300, which means it will start to point to this particular third node. And again while check will be done. And as you can see here, it is null. So this line will not execute. Control will come to this line. And I am going to update current.link. And current is 300 now. Its link part is null. And here I am updating temp. And what is temp? Temp is 400. So here I will update 400, which means this node will start to point to last node, that is this node which we have created. So friends, this is our program for linked list creation. And if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching. And one more thing, in next video we will see linked list traversal program.